So, really important question, guys. I need to ask you out there, everybody who's out there, is my hair messed up? Okay, I was just getting ready to do this. Now listen, this beam is sticking out of the wall, just more than I want it to, so it really upsets me. But from here down, it's just fine. It's just up there, it's not. And there's no way you're moving the beam because they took out this wall. So I've cut the piece. Now I've got to scribe out the back so it lays flat. And what I've done is I've kind of marked the middle a little bit. Now what I'm doing is I'm holding my knife at an angle like this, right? And I'm just holding it at an angle like this. And I'm putting a bunch of scribes in here. Not Pharisees, just scribes. So, and then I'll do this all through here. And I'm guessing, I kind of marked the center of the beam, so I'm just guessing, maybe that much. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to go the opposite direction. So I went the one way, now I go the other way, and I remove all of this stuff. And it's a tedious process, guys. It really is, but it really makes the job look right when this can lay really, really flat. So I'm not going to sit there and bore you with all of the details, but just know I went one way with the knife, and then I come back and go the other way with the knife so I can take that all out, and I'll probably take a small blade. This one's good, and it's a stiff blade, and I'll scrape this all out. So, so that's it. That's all I got. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you. I've got this all scribed in, nice and easy. And then it's going to tuck back in here. And now look at this. This is laying nice and flush. This will work. Before, when I came over here, this was sticking way out like this. This was not flush at all. So there you have it. I mean, sometimes you have to scribe behind the, you have the Pharisee behind the the drywall a little bit. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.